Hello students, this video I already made on 25th or 26th October 2022, but it was still pending. I did not upload that, but today I received the homework from the same students and he already followed the rules and improved his handwriting. So I am editing again and now inshallah I will upload it. So here at the right side, this homework is his previous homework on which I made the video, and this the second one which is with the stars, that is the second homework that I received yesterday. So the old part of the video you will watch after this. So I could not upload it because I explained him the rules in the class, and the in the video I could not put all the rules of the handwriting. So now here the next rule is, so here these are the small alphabets. So you can see the small alphabets has a dash and only the red letter Ra and Za and Wow, these are coming under the line. So here all the letters, all the small letters are touching the line. So here same rule we will follow. In Arabic, the last letter is capital, and in the last or in at the end we are writing the capital letters. So here, if you will see carefully, like capital letters are coming under the line. So here only this rule we will follow to improve the handwriting, as I gave you the example also. So here this is the rule. When you will follow that, your handwriting should be improved. So here this student, he wrote the homework on 16th November 2022, but I received it yesterday. So yesterday it was 21st November, because he is taking only 2 classes in a week. So when I saw his handwriting, I thought to upload this video that was pending. So please watch his homework. And this one is the new one that he wrote on 16 November 2022. And you can compare. If you will follow these rules, inshallah, I hope that you will get or you will improve your handwriting very fast. Thank you. And this is the old video that I did not upload. Hello students, in today's class we will learn how to improve the basic handwriting. This homework came from Rayan Basil, so I want to explain him. These are only the basic rules for the small kids only. In the basic writing, just we have to keep this line straight. Always we will keep this line straight that the small letters have, and we will make the humps small and the lines big. So humps are up to down and lines are right to left. If you also have any question or doubt, you can also send me the questions. Inshallah, I will make a video for you as well. Only some letters come down from the line like Seen, Ra, Lam, and Noon, Qaf. Just we will try to keep the down line that have the small letters, so only we will try to keep it straight. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.